Hi everyone, let me show you how you make this super easy last minute pumpkin pie. I'm starting with this organic pie crust I grabbed from Whole Foods. Honestly, it tastes exactly like homemade. I'm just placing it on a tray in case anything bubbles over, so the cleanup is easy. Now for the filling, I'm whisking together 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. The extra yolk helps keep the pie from cracking, so it comes out smooth on top. A little salt, a splash of vanilla, give that a mix. Then I'm adding pure pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, the real puree. Season it with pumpkin pie spice and mix everything together. And now the magic ingredients, sweetened condensed milk. This makes the filling extra creamy and foolproof. Pour it into your pie crust and bake at 425 for 15 minutes. Then lower it to 350 and bake for another 45 more minutes. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes. And that's it, a beautiful cozy homemade pumpkin pie with zero stress. I love serving it the classic way with a little Cool Whip on top. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy family friendly recipes. And I'll see you in the next one.